Barbara Hilton. I'm the Energy Crops Manager for the Semcoal Biomass Power Station, and my job is to try and recruit farmers and landowners to grow the crop behind me, which is short rotation willow coppice. This is a sustainable form of fuel. In the Semcoal Biomass Power Station it's produced as wood chip, they burn it and they generate electricity. Wilton is an unlikely site for growing this, it has to be said, a big industrial site like this, but what it does show, although this in a sense is farmland, you can also grow this crop on brownfield land, so it could go well on pure industrial sites where they've reclaimed it. Now there's probably about 3,500 hectares of short rotation coppice in the UK. For Semcoal we probably need about that amount for this power station for farmers within about a 50-mile radius. So if we can get them to grow this crop, that would be absolutely excellent. But it's an incredibly good crop for the amount of bird life, wildlife that's actually held within it. I do think there's a lot of farmers that perhaps don't quite know too much about this crop at the moment. Just find out about it, get to know more about it. This is a perennial crop, it will come up again, it will grow very quickly, and we'll be harvesting it again in 3 years. So this just goes to show how successful this crop can be. It's been incredibly successful on this site, so it will be very successful on, if I can put it this way, standard farmland sites.